Welcome to Anthony's Crossroad Garage.
Anthony's Crossroad Garage, baby!
Today we're going to work on a trailer. What the hell is she on about? Greta. What are you doing? I'm right here. These were high dollar tires too. BF Goodrich. Look how the thing's bulged and cracked. Yeah, we're not gonna run that down to the beach. It's a little gray in here. Looks like it's been a little wet.
Daddy, I wish you liked the disco ball. No, stop! Stop!
I'm not familiar with this keeper. Let's see, it's got a tab right there. You just put it down and then you turn it. It looks like.
Bro!
Way too tight.
Yeah, let's see this. Hey! That's my swing!
Little keeper wash. Yeah. Looks good to me. Needs to be repacked. Alright, of course I got the Baron Packer. It's a must-have. Work out that old grease in with the new grease. Being gray like this, probably just water. There we go. I'll reuse this old seal. There we go. Hey, enough, you two. Separate. Tight. Now follow your own specs to your trailer. I'm doing it the way I like to do it. Get it tight. Loosen it up. And just tight enough to get this locker back in. That's it. There are keepers in there so they don't back off. Put our cat back on. All right. That put a nice stain on these boards. Getting them mounted up. When you ride the bike on, you have something to put your feet on so your feet don't slip through and you tip the bike over. I got the other tire and wheel on. That's good. Lubed up. The bearings weren't pitted or anything on this side either. Get these boards on next. We start on the wiring. Or actually, I need to start on it now.
Hey, that's my idea.
What? Yeah.
Oh, I ain't got the tools at home.
That was my blue box.
I can't find any 7/16 wrench.
Oh, shit. Bitch.
Oh, freaking on that. He was cussing them Chinese tires. I didn't tell him.
You ever look at any of the tires?
I didn't tell him. You can't talk.
No.
You know that. I was going to tell him whether he was either China, South Korea, or India. Basically, it's your choice. I hope them brakes is good. You won't make it, if they're not, you won't make a brake for them. You get up there to quarter race, you better get back and feel them.
Welcome to A3's Car Store Garage. We're gonna start over fixing on the trailer. Let's play at you. What do you say that? Okay, ready?
Alrighty. Dad left to get this trailer done. Got these boards stained. Don't they look nice? Got wire on. Of course, I didn't run it through the frame because who's got time for that? New tail lights are mounted. So yeah, it's been laying in a cow field for, I don't know, 10 years. It was gave to me, so now we're just gonna go ahead and drag it all the way to North Carolina. So we'll bring the video into that once I get the bike loaded and we start out that morning. We'll go ahead and park it for now. Alright, it's late in the evening. It's like 9:30. I didn't have good ground on my trailer. I had to do some rewiring in the driveway. But it's all mounted up. It's ready to go for tomorrow. We're gonna see how well it makes it. Hopefully pretty good. Can't hardly see in the dark here, but there she is, loaded up. I'm finished packing my stuff and be ready for the road tomorrow.
We are headed to vacation. Dad, why are you cleaning the window? Yeah. So you better like. And we don't have that many likes. So can you make 5,000 likes today? Not today. Or tomorrow, or the next day, or the other day.
Not Scooby, huh? Uh-huh. Not Scooby. Nah, we're Frank.
How many fish you caught, Dad?
All of them.
All of them? None of them? Way down the beach. No good fishing though. Bike made down alright, trailer made down alright. Enjoying the beach today because it ain't too bad. Haven't caught nothing. Didn't start early enough either, but we haven't caught nothing. Goodbye beach weather. Hello fall in West Virginia. Trailer made it back good and fine. No issues. I stopped several times and checked stuff, but no problems whatsoever. Not bad for a little free trailer. So that ends on the trailer redo. Now we'll get back on the Nissan. Bye.
So we're close to the beach.
It's 55 minutes, not even an hour.
It's 55 minutes. It's 2.5 an hour. No, it's 1 hour. 2.5 an hour. 1.
Worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.